back to my channel. So in this video we are going to do two unboxings. First one, this one, it's from Floraria Design Floral, and I am starting with this because here I know I have one single orchid. You will see it's a super interesting one. It's a new hybrid that I have been seeing on the market. It's a Phalaenopsis orchid actually, and she has quite an interesting name also. Okay, this time they have packed it interesting. They have very ingenious ways of packing the orchids. As always, the wrapping paper is very pretty. Gorgeous Phalaenopsis. This is the Phalaenopsis Las Vegas. You most probably have seen that Dani has purchased this one recently. I was looking at it lately, but it was expensive. It was costing what, 30 euros I think? More than 30 euros, and this time I have found it with 25 I believe. So I thought I would finally take it. She's very beautiful. Let's check the root system as well, very careful. I will try to take the sellotape. So she seems that she likes to branch out. She has very good roots. It is indeed one single plant in here. Oh my god, I have two! Look at that! Thank you so much. I have two plants in here. Not sure if they are... I think they are two separate plants. Look at that. Here is a stem of the right, of the plant from the right, and here is the one from the left. Very nice. I have 3 spikes. She's not fragrant at this moment, but look at the blooms. They are so interesting in color. They have a yellow color with some coppery edges, and on the inside part as well, with this white center. The lip is very pretty as well. I will show to you all the orchids at the end of the video anyway. I'm so happy to have the plants. I will now bring the second box. And look now at this huge box. Where did I put the cutting knife? So in here I have quite a few orchids, this time from Secret Garden. And I am really curious to see how they arrived, because some of them are really new hybrids for me. I really hope I'm in frame right now. over yet. Here are the orchids. I'm not sure if you can see them. I just cannot give you a better look, so I think I will pause the video now and I will show to you the orchids after I unwrap them, because there are quite a few and that would take quite a lot of time. I don't think that is interesting enough, but you should definitely see them because they are super gorgeous. Okay guys, so I have completely unpacked them. I just wanted to show to you, I was not able to take out every orchid normally and unpack it after that, because it has so much salapate and all of them were stacked one of the other. I just opened them up inside, like I open up the package and take the orchids from there. So here it is, just some of them. Alright, so this is the Phalaenopsis Las Vegas. As you can see, she looks very pretty. I have two plants in there, which is amazing. This is a bonus orchid. I think this is the Bellara Eurostar, if I remember correctly, and I don't have it in my collection, so thank you so much. It has two new growths. It is a bit dehydrated and it's wobbly, so I don't think it has a lot of roots, but I do see a growing root tip in here, so she will get repotted almost immediately because she might have snails, and if that would be the case, I don't want them to munch on this root, and she does have new growths which are about to produce new roots. In here I have Dendrobium nobile Stardust Firebird. One of the other days one of my viewers left me a comment asking me if I can do a tutorial for how to care these particular ones, because they are harder to grow than the normal nobiles, because this is an orchid which of course she's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this orange color. But the problem it is that they are very prone to producing a lot of cakeys, and they produce so many cakeys that at some point the mother orchid just dies because she is depleted of energy. My particular one for now seems to be okay. It has only one cakey, which I will show to you what I will do, but I will do a separate video. And in here I have three cakeys, three new growths, actually not cakeys, and that is good. I do want to have basal growths with this one. In here I have the Dendrobium Sankol Blue, and you might actually ask yourself if why did I purchase this one, because I already had it. And the reason why I purchased it is because this one has two directions of growth, this one, and here I have another new growth, and because of this it will grow faster into a specimen size. So I will just sell my particular one, and I will keep this one. It has a very gorgeous bloom. In here I thought when I have seen the pictures on their website, I thought it is the Dendrobium Thailand Black, but I have seen that in the past. This is not the one. I believe this one is the Purple Happiness, which is okay because I didn't have this one either. The Sankol Blue is a bit wobbly, and it will get repotted sooner, but this one seems okay. It is stable. They all present moss on top, but that is okay. That is an indication that the organic medium is decomposing. This one does have a lot of fruits, so I am also very happy, and is producing very big spikes. And the two orchids that are the best purchases of this order is this Vanda. I don't really remember right now her name, but she is gorgeous. She reminds me of a leopard, and yeah, it's very healthy. It is a bit dehydrated because they don't really water them, but that is okay. I prefer to water it myself and rehydrate it rather than transmitting disease through the same water or container. And here are her roots. She's very healthy. Her root tips did die back, but that happens a lot on transport. I am okay with that. Here I do still have a root tip though. And her blooms, I'm not even sure how to show them to you because there is bad light. Look at that, she's so gorgeous. Orchid which actually determined me to make the order. This is a cattleya. For now she's a no ID. Someone told me she smells like baked peaches. I will see maybe tomorrow, but here are her blooms. They are kind of peachy in color. They have a bit of pinkish stripes, very subtle, with a bit of white in the center. And her lip has the most gorgeous yellowy peachy color with a red tint on the lip, on the tip of the lip. But look at the size of her. I'm not even sure where to put it. I need to buy a new pot for her. I have 2 spikes and I have a lot of directions of growth. I have actually numbered her canes, her pseudobulbs actually, and she seems to have over 33 pseudobulbs. How amazing is that? And 2 of them are cut off, most probably by the seller, not by the person from which I bought them from. This orchid does have snails. I have saw one and she has a few munched roots, but that is okay. She has a lot of growing root tips in there. And you know what, I will put the orchid on the table and I will show it to you from the good side because she's leaning a bit over. This is why I put her here, but again I will show to you her in a moment. Okay, and here she is. I am not even showing to you the good side of the blooms. I want to show to you the actual plant. Look at the size of her. She is gorgeous and huge. This orchid, when you see Cutlass with this type of leaves, which are not even sure how to say it, maybe distorted. This Cutlass suffers from calcium deficiency, and it is quite hard to provide enough calcium for such a beast, because that is what she is. She is gorgeous. Look how gorgeous is this bloom, for example. This one has a bit more a deeper color. Maybe I think this is an older bloom and this is a newer one. Yeah, most probably. They look amazing. I cannot wait to see or to smell her tomorrow, because I am sure tomorrow she will smell gorgeous. They are very beautiful. I need to clean her up. She's dehydrated, so I will submerge her in some fertilized water. I will put some extra calcium. I will put about 250 ppm of MSU and about 80 more of calcium. She does need that extra calcium, and I will feed her for the next days or weeks actually at a pH of about 6.7, because she is calcium deficient and I want to ensure she gets it. Yeah, I'm so happy. She is gorgeous. I cannot believe how big she is. I can see that the blooms emerge when with a very tiny sheet, if I can call that a sheet actually, but they emerge as the leaf opens. So yeah, I do have some new growths. These ones won't bloom because the orchid needs to be properly fertilized. Of course, she will get repotted into semi-hydro once the blooms fade, and I don't think they will last for much longer, maybe 1 week. Yeah, she's gorgeous. I cannot wait to see this one in full bloom next year or with the next blooms, because I am sure she will do amazing for me. Like, look at the size of her. I will count them again. First time I did count 33 pseudobulbs. We will see. She has so many roots. I need to find a very big pot for her because she does need it. Here in the back I do feel a few dead roots, and I would be happy if this part of the roots would be dead, because that way I could push this side of the plant to the margin of the new pot she will be in. But I will take you along for this repotting because it will be very, very interesting. Look at these pseudobulbs, how distorted they are. And look at this one. I have never seen a cattleya pseudobulb with this shape. It is very, very peculiar. I'm trying to clean a little bit the dried sheets so you can see it better. I think I will need... I did it. Look at this. This is like an onion. Very, very interesting. I think she has minimum 7 directions of growth. This one will get into a huge plant, and I will actually find a very big pot for her because I don't want to repot her next year as well, although from semi-hydro that is quite easy to do. I really want to show to you these blooms properly. I don't think I can because they are not properly arranged. They did not receive very good light to arrange themselves. These ones do look a bit better though. Yeah, I'm so happy with my order. Look at these. And I also purchased some fungicide and some insecticide. This is Actara, this is an insecticide. I will use this for some scale. I have a cake, a dendrobium cake from someone. I took it intentionally because I saw it has scales and I want to do a tutorial about those, so this will be one of the things I will use. This is a 3-in-1 spray with total protection. This has an insecticide, a fungicide and an acaricide. This is very, very good. I have used it in the past. It's very good also for fusarium. Here I have another fungicide and another one because I was out. And this is a fungicide and bactericide actually. I am over the moon with these orchids. They are gorgeous, very, very healthy. And don't understand me wrong, I am not complaining at all by her calcium deficiency. Look at them. So alrighty guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, you definitely should, because I post very interesting videos pretty much every day. Thank you very much for watching and see you all next time.